Steel bench blocks are essential jewelry-making tools that serve many purposes. Constructed of hardened steel, they are extremely durable, with a surface that is resistant to dents and scratches. These long-lasting bench blocks are ideal for metal stamping projects as well as silversmithing and metalsmithing, and can be used with ball peen hammers, mallets, and other tools for chasing, shaping, and stamping metal. They are available in an array of sizes to suit every type of project. Pairing steel bench blocks with a rubber block or sand bag will help alleviate noise and minimize rebound. The heavy weight of the blocks helps keep them in place on your work surface, thus protecting your workbench from excessive wear and tear. The flat surface allows you to lay out your design in place. They're perfect for hardening wire for your jewelry designs, and they work with all types of metal including gold, sterling silver, and copper. Our bench blocks are ideal for use with rivets, engravers, reamers, soldering torches, and more.